Hi, this is Tim from Rustin Restorations. I'm going to show you how to do some restorations on a couple cars. We got a couple Camaros we're going to be doing. I got an old junk box I just picked up today. Probably paid a little bit more than I should have. I paid about $1,200 for it. Had it towed over today. It's pretty rotted, but it has a good 4-speed in it. Chevy 350. This one's just so bad. We have another Z28 car that's super solid. This is just rotted beyond repair in my book. You can see the floors inside. Frame rails getting exposed. It's a 4-speed car, this one too, which is nice. This other Z28 over here, a few other cars too. We got a Firebird. I picked that up years ago, sold it to a friend. He never did anything with it, so I got it back. I'll be fixing that. This is the Z28 donor car we're going to be doing. This is a 4-speed car also. Looks like heck right now.
Had a tree fall on the roof right there.
Yep. But the floors are all solid. It's another 4-speed Z28, real Z28 car, 79. We're going to restore this one, get this one running first. But all this, like the other one, this is all solid. And this is a New England car. It's just been sitting around forever. That one does run. I can show you that in a little bit. But I picked up this one for $800. But it had nothing in it. No drivetrain, no drive shaft, nothing. So another car is my donor for this car. And then we have over here, we got Flipper. I'm going to keep that Z, the 4-speed car. I'm going to keep that one. I want that car. This is Flipper, another solid car I found. All this, I don't know where this car was. In New England, this should be rotted, but it's not. It's all solid, all the way around. It's always good to feel. If you ever buy a car, feel around here. It should not be thick. It should be nice and thin, just like two pieces of sheet metal squeezed together. And that's what this one's like. This thing is very solid, runs and drives. We're going to do a quick resto on that one. I'll show you the process of that. Same thing with this car. Yeah, this one's nice and solid all the way around. Dented, dents don't bother me. So you'll see some stuff like this on the channel. We'll see if we can get this other Firebird running. We got a couple other projects out back too. We can show you later. I have another Firebird I got to get done.
Trans Am 77 Bandit Trans Am out back somewhere.
Yeah, that'll get done too. A couple more minors. One I'm going to turn into a pickup truck. You can see that from here. But the Z over here, I have no gas hooked up to it right now, but it does turn over. I did run it. 4-speed works. Everything works. Yeah, this doesn't work. This is just so. Look at that. It's just. There's nothing left. Somebody might want to restore it, not me. Maybe I'll sell the shell after I'm all done. But turns over easy. Just I don't have a gas tank hooked up to it because it was rotted out of it. That's what we have for today. So we're gonna get a little R&R. Show you what's up next. Okay, we got the 4-speed, the nice one, or the not rotted one, in the shop. Archie helped us.
Yeah, it's almost out. So we got everything taken off. It's ready to get sandblasted. We got Body Man doing body boy work. Body boy.
Excruciating!